Good morning. It's a new week at Walgreens for couponing. We are going to grab some deals using coupons. I'm back from a Walgreens run. I'm happy to be home and refreshed because it was so hot outside. Now I'm ready to give you the details of the Walgreens deals I got earlier. This is the first transaction. Laundry products, Scott toilet paper, and Crest toothpaste. Using the store coupon, the Scott paper products are only $3.75 this week. Arm & Hammer laundry detergent are on sale for $2.99. There is a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. The Purex and Snuggle laundry products are priced at $2.99 with the Walgreens card. When you purchase two, you get a $4 rewards or 4,000 bonus points. The Crest toothpaste are priced at $3.99. When you purchase two, you get $4 register rewards. I used two paper coupons on this product. This is the receipt for this first transaction. The paper and digital coupons were applied. I paid a total of $23.53. I got back 8,000 points for purchasing the Purex and Snuggle products. I have this booster coupon that did not apply to this transaction. It's 5,000 bonus points or $5 rewards when you purchase $25 worth of products from the store. My total before the coupon should have been $26.88, so the booster should have applied. I called Walgreens customer service and the lady was gracious enough and adjusted my points and gave me back the 5,000 points to my account. I also got the $4 register rewards for purchasing the Crest toothpaste. This makes the final cost of this transaction at $6.53 or 82 cents each. The second transaction. There's supposed to be two nice chocolate papers, but one of them has been opened. I did a repeat of the Crest toothpaste deal. The $4 register reward did not print out, but the lady at customer service adjusted my account for it and gave me back 4,000 points. Ajax detergent is $1.99. There's a 50 cents digital coupon. The Dawn dish detergents are 99 cents each. The 25 cents digital coupon did not attach, but the lady at the customer service was nice enough to put it back in my account as points. The L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner are on sale, 2 for $8. There's a store coupon, $2 when you purchase two, and I use an internet printable coupon for $3. This is my receipt for the second transaction. The paper and digital coupons applied. My total was $7.46 including tax. I redeemed 5,000 points from my account and paid $2.46. The cost of the second transaction is $7.46. The final cost for these two transactions combined is $13.99 or 87 cents each. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next deal.